Hi guys! Welcome po sa Nissan Intelligent Mobility Tour 2025. At ngayon, iti-featured natin ang Nissan Navara All New 2025.
Off the subway leading nowhere. I saw the city passing by my window.
Ito nga pala yung booth ng Nissan NIM Tour 2025. Sobrang solid yung headlights. This is a dual rate coil spring. Ay kaya rin niyang mag-load ng 1-ton payload capacity. Para kang bumili ng isang pick-up na ang comfort niyan ay parang SUV. This Nissan Navara 2025 is also equipped with blind spot sensor. All-terrain tires yung ginamit. Pwede siya sa highway, pwede siya sa off-road. Dito naman sa ating gear selector, meron siya tinatawag na ship-on-ply. This is the automatic and this is a manual. This also a ship-on-ply na 4x4. So 4x2, 4x4 high, and then 4x4 low. Naka-dual zone yung kanyang climate control. Hill descent control, meron sila dito nilagay na electronic anti-glare. Meron pa tayong test drive. Wow, sarap oh. Wow, ganda. Isa masabi ko guys, kapag sinakyan mo to, parang very stable talaga yung mafe-feel mo. Ito.
I'll miss you if you give up your love me.
Maraming salamat Nissan Philippines for letting us to test drive this car. And once again, this is Alfred Watermax nagsasabing be blessed and be a blessing to everyone. Splash!
Yeah.